Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today as usual. Man, I woke up today with a freaking sore throat. I don't know if it's like I'm sick or just like I just slept with my mouth open and the freaking air was too dry or something. I don't know, man, but it's weird. Like, I woke up with a really bad sore throat, but I'm not coughing, so I think I need to turn the humidifier back on. Guys, what's weird is I was just starting to boot up this video and note how Bitcoin was down 3% on the day. Ethereum, like, not even moving. XRP down, like, 1.3% of the day. And everything pretty much down a couple of percentage points. But then Ethereum Classic was actually up, like, 24% in the last 24 hours. As you can see right here. See, look. That part right there. Let's refresh the page. So Ethereum Classic's got a little weird thing going on, because it just showed Ethereum Classic at like $42 a coin. So I'm pretty sure this thing just got rug pulled as soon as I started recording the video. Like, no joke. Yeah, like as soon as I started recording the video, Ethereum Classic started getting rug pulled, man. Rug pulled. Like, I mentally made a note, like, I'm going to go over the price of cryptocurrency and everything is down except just Ethereum Classic. So I do not know what is going on there. Maybe get a little short position here to go ahead and, catch the bounce and then fill some of these gaps down here. I'm not sure. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into the video of today. This is going to be an XRP price-centric video. And then following videos of today are going to be like, more headlines and stuff like that. So check this out here. We got Bryant McGill. This tweet's making waves over on Twitter. All right. A Wall Street Journal and USA Today best-selling author, 13 million followers, United Nations appointed global champion. I have a feeling that the XRP volcano is going to be blowing sometime soon. Just remember, I told you, like I've been telling you for the past year. I mean, we've been talking about this for like 4 or 5 years, but nonetheless, take a look at this XRP market dominance chart. Okay, this is like literally the entirety of the XRP market dominance percentage. And as you can see throughout history, it goes from like 1% or below to 20%. Then it goes through its little bear cycle and then, becomes less than 1% of the market and then runs up to 31% of the market. Like, you're literally looking at here the total market cap of XRP compared to the rest of the market. I mean, at one point, when we made the big run to $4 a coin in some countries and some fiat pairs, we were literally like 1/3 of the entire cryptocurrency market. Never forget that. And since then, dropping down to like 1%, then bounce back up to like 13, 14%. Drop down to like 5%, bounce up to 10% again, right? And then as you can see down here, you get this really interesting converging formation going on of, essentially 1% XRP dominance is kind of being used as a support here. And then it bounced up to like 3.5% recently. And then, look, you got this nice converging triangle going on here. And it seems quite realistic that XRP could become 6% of the market cap. And, maybe that pump happens and the pullback goes and the slingshot gets launched. And then we become 25% of the market again. Okay, very important converging triangle formation here. We love triangles on the Cobb channel, okay? This is converging price action. This is the sellers saying, basically, no, it must go lower. And then you got buyers at the same time saying, no, this must go higher. So we keep making higher lows. It's the sellers trending lower highs, buyers trending higher lows. So it's basically like essentially what a triangle is. It's the buyers and sellers basically saying, hey, we're going to have a big battle soon. One of us is going to win. That's why I love triangles so much, because it's just, it's a foreshadowing of, hey, a battle is coming. One of us is going to win. All right. So keep in mind, this is the weekly chart. Do look for the stretch. And you bring that back to just the regular XRP price charts. We are actually looking for a very good opportunity of a double bottom formation and running XRP to fill gaps up to the 83 cent level. Okay. Something interesting that happened yesterday. I was just freaking busy like crazy yesterday with social activities on Labor Day, so I could not make a video. But yeah, dude, XRP did attempt a breakout. Yeah, XRP, it attempted a breakout, and I was at a bar with a group of friends, and I saw this thing going on. And then I noticed, I was watching this thing live. It popped from 33 nearly to, like, 34 and a half. And then, dude, it just got freaking canceled immediately. Like, I was so excited. I was looking at this thing, and I'm like, oh, my God, dude, yes, it broke the resistance structure. Okay, let's get the pullback, bounce off resistance, run higher, fill the gaps up to 37 cents. So that on the weekly chart, we could finally take down this little resistance right here. But it ended up failing, and on the 4-hour chart, it created some pretty big wick like it did back here. It seems like here and like here just kind of repeat itself. Kind of interesting how that works. But anyways, what was funny is I had like $30 sitting in my Bitra account, and I'm just like, you know what? It's freaking XRP. It always goes down. I'm going to go ahead and short this mofo. And then I did, and then, I woke up to like $20 today, which is actually pretty cool, but XRP didn't go down tremendously. But I just thought, I'm like, okay, if XRP just failed to break out past resistance, it's got to print a red candle. But then the thing is, this red candle is now coming back down to local support levels. So inevitably, I think we're going to secure this bounce. It's honestly, at this point, it's just all eyes on the weekly chart, because this is where the magic is going to happen here. This is a very crucial level throughout like all of XRP history, right? Okay, this is an old XRP all-time high close, old bear market support, old bear market resistance, which canceled like 5 pumps. And then this is one of the levels we blasted through to make an all-time high break. And now the XRP market is coming back down to those levels, looking for redemption at that level again. That's what we're looking for here. Please, guys, keep your eyes on the weekly chart. I am sure we're going to see some sort of double bottom action here. And as long as we can secure one of these, right? If we can secure that, I'm not saying it's guaranteed, but you're pretty much looking at one of those. And you got billions of dollars of liquidity just sitting all up in there waiting to be grabbed by some big boy out there. I know one of them is going to do it. And it's going to carry this pattern with XRP and then get those prices to old yearly highs. Okay? Let's go ahead and run over to the monthly chart. All right. See, this is where it's like it looks different than the weekly. Actually looks a little more bearish, right? Because you have the big extension. Oh, and speaking of double bottoms, like the reason why I am championing this weekly chart lately so much is because there is an emotional attachment to these double bottoms, okay? Because when XRP was on its final days, or I hope they're their final days, of 20 cents a coin, do you know what got XRP out of 20 cents a coin? Dude, it was this double bottom right here. It was this double bottom on the monthly chart that literally was the key to XRP exiting the 20-cent zone and reaching $2 a coin. And yes, right now I know it's back at 33 cents, but that's a hell of a lot better than the low 20 range. Okay? So this double bottom back here, which was kind of an old structure on the XRP monthly chart from 2017, right? That's why I'm championing the weekly double bottom so hard, because it's the monthly double bottom, which you could even argue is a triple bottom. I mean, I know it's not candle close, but you have wick right there, and then 2 bottom closes there. That was kind of like a triple bottom to me, but it's, I think, like, if you want to talk super, super specifically, I mean, that is a double bottom, right? And that is what allowed XRP to freaking leave the 20-cent zone and finally rip up to $2 a coin. And what did they do in the process? Filling in all these gaps. Liquidity to be grabbed. So the whales, they're going to go ahead and fill the gaps. They always will do this. They will always fill the gaps. And on the weekly, we just have billions and billions of dollars in stop losses and leverage trading just sitting right here waiting to be grabbed, which is telling me, considering this is like, an old all-time high level, old resistance, old support, we use this level. Get out of your Facebook. I don't even use that thing anymore. I don't know why it's showing up. But you see what I'm saying here. This is an old XRP all-time high, old support, old resistance, the level that we broke to allow us to freaking go back to $+ XRP. So do keep an eye on the weekly chart, guys. I do believe one of these will come right here. We're going to break, and then it's going to fake everybody out and be like, oh, no, okay, we're going back down, and then going to grab all that liquidity. I guarantee you that's what's going to play out in the next few weeks, or maybe next few months or something. I'm not sure. But, guys, XRP is the sleeping volcano waiting to explode, and I'll see you guys in the next one.